Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. Last week I posted one poll in our channel's community tab regarding to the preferred series of the viewer. And the series in-depth look got the 80% of vote and the back to basic series got the 20% of the vote. So we'll do a video on it. So in this video we are gonna take a look at basics of the electricity, and we are not going to see anything about the history and who are all the inventors these things, and not one more questions. Well, we detail about some practical things in the day-to-day life implementation of the electricity. So welcome to the series of back to basics. Whenever we talk about the power, we consider about the plug and socket. This socket differs from the country to country, but the functionality is same everywhere in the world. There are three connectivity in socket. First one is phase, second one is neutral, third one is earth. As the name suggests, the electricity provides the electrons through the conductor. Those conductor medium most probably might be the copper wire. Those electron contains negative charge or electric charge to enable all the electric equipment and appliances. These electrons pass through the phase line, which is right side hole of the 3-type socket. The left side hole provides or fetches the output power from the device, that is known as neutral. Whenever we talk about the electronic equipment, there should be a circuit. When the circuit gets its fulfillment, which is the closed state, then only the electronic device will work. This neutral point gather the power from the device and move it to somewhere else in the world. We will talk about that somewhere in after point of this video. When you connect both the lines to the device start to function. The upper point is used to fetch or collect the unwanted power source from the device, and the power will be moved to ground of the earth. Nowadays the most of the heavy power consuming equipments requires the earth port, especially the computer and washing machine. If earth is not there, whenever you touch the machine uses your body as a medium to conduct the excessive power to the earth, because the human body consists of 90% of conductive medium, which is most probably a water molecule. So careful with the current. Also, whenever we talk about the current, we should know two types of power supply. First one AC and second one is DC. AC stands for alternative current, which is used by most of the homes nowadays. Not most of the, all the homes using the AC current. In India, we are getting 220 voltage to 240 voltage for household usage, and DC stands for direct current, not reactive comic. DC also like AC power, but we only use for low voltage devices like in TV remote and in mobile phone and even in remote car. Nice example. Most of the battery or all the battery power only provides the DC power alone. Here the doubt may come, why AC not DC? Well, as a Marvel fan, I suggest you to DC. Well, here the physics subject plays main role. Whenever we touch the AC power, we can feel and even we can react to the power, and we will take the hand from the source. But DC current is not like that. You can't even feel that you are touching the current and you are consuming the power and you are conducting that power to the earth. So that's why we are not using that. But then why we are not using DC? Well, just consider if we are using 220 voltage of power and you are touching that power without your knowledge, then what happens? After some second you only see your burned hand, or you will get something not desirable at the moment. The reason behind this thing is the flow of the electron. In DC current, the flow is cyclic. I mean, the waves are the filtered and normalized one. So that's why you are not feeling anything. It's normalized and it going through your body. You kill yourself without your knowledge. So that's why you are not feeling the power when you pass through the DC current. But in AC, the flow is not normalized. That's why whenever you touch the current, you are rapidly doing something and getting detached from the power source. Wait, still lot to explain about this thing, but I'm not gonna do that. This is fine. After that, we will see about units and power consumption. Each and every electronic item consumes power. Those calculations will be taken as watts. For example, the water heater approximately requires 3000 watts of power to get its job done. Just keep this in your mind. Every month we are paying the electricity bill based on the usage of units. Well, the key point here is if you use 1000 watts per hour, that will consume 1 unit of power. For example, if you are using a water heater 1 hour per day, in month end it will cost around 30 units of current. With this simple calculation, you can estimate your electricity bill of next month. Hereafter, before using any electrical equipment, just see how much watts it's required to run and see all the details. Anyway, I would like to make these kind of explanatory videos in this channel, but I'm not getting that much response for this series. However, I'm not going to stop anything. Everything comes in regular basis. Thank you for watching this video, and I noticed that YouTube has some glitch problem in like button. So just click the like and check it is working or not. If it is working, just let me know. Quote motto.